Hi, this is Mr. Warren with a video that helps students get into their 10 marks math class. To get started, you will be in Schoology. Drop down, go over to Resources, click on that, then go on down to where it says Group, click on that. It'll open up to a page and you should be able to just come down and see Schoology. If it doesn't show up, you can't see it, just use this little slider till you can. When you see it, click on the link. Right here, I have a student's name that I've already put in. You'll notice that there's no dot between the first name and the last name. That's the one thing for 10 marks, has no dot. So it's your regular username, just don't put that dot in. Then go ahead and put your password in. We're going to go ahead and log in. When we log in, we're on the home page of 10 marks, and along with the home page, there's also another section for reports and a deal for the reward zone. We'll talk about those in just a minute, but let's take a look at our home page. This is where the assignments are. If we look down here, it has a due date. You need to have the assignment done by the date, otherwise it'll show that it's late. But when you're ready to go, we're going to go into one of these in just a minute, but you just click right here. So that you start on the first one. These all had different due dates. And that's the way your assignments are going to come. I just want you to do one of these. So you wouldn't have to do all of these a day. So you're going to do one of these. You're supposed to work in your 10 marks math for 30 minutes. If you finish this, then you would drop down to this section right here. It says Start Jamming. And I'm going to go into this right now first. We'll go back to the assignment. But this, when you says Start Jamming, if you finish that assignment, you got some more time. What I want you to do is come over here, pick one of these to work on. It gives you a choice of math things to work on. You're going to want to do that too, because one of the things, I'm going to go back to our home page, is that there's rewards. And so remember I talked about the different things. Let's click on the reward. As a student, you'll get a certificate for completing different sections, and you also earn points towards unlocking a game. This first one says when you complete 6 assignments, you will unlock a game. And then of course you can go ahead and spend some time in that game. Also, this is counting as a grade for your class, and you are to put in 30 minutes. Let's go back to our home page now. Let's look at those assignments. Let's go into one assignment. Go into the first one. Always do the one that's got the due date that's coming up first. We're going to click on that. It opens up, and here's our assignment. And on this particular assignment, it says select all of the strategies to solve this problem. Make sure when you're doing this kind of problem, you have to look at each of the questions to make sure, because maybe all of them could be correct. But let's say you don't know how to do this. 32 take away 6, I'm not sure what this means. You could come over here and you could click on a video. We're going to start this video. We're not going to watch all of it, but I'm just going to show you this is where you could come to get some help.
Standard form, expanded form, and word form are 3 different ways that you can write the same number. Let's talk about each one individually. First, there's standard form. Standard form uses digits to write the number.
Alright, so I'm going to stop on that. In this particular assignment, it's got another video. They don't always have 2 videos, but this has 1 video, and then it has a second video. And then along with that, let's say after you got done watching all those videos, you say, but I still don't know what I'm supposed to do. Click on here. And it says, here's a hint. To subtract, make sure that the 1's digit on top is larger than the 1's digit on the bottom. Still don't know? Click here again and you can get another hint. And it says 2 more are available. After you've watched that last hint, it's time to make a choice, or it's time to get somebody else to help you on the problem. After you've selected it, tell it next, and then you can go on to your next problem. Alright, well, I'm going to go back to our home page right now. Remember, this is just as a reminder, you'll be working. I want you to finish the assignment first. When you get done with that, I want you to go jam with math. You're supposed to work 30 minutes in your 10 marks math. Some of you might be wondering, what's this right down here? These are personal assignments. What it is the program's looking, and it's keeping track of how you're doing. And so these are recommendations. It's saying, hey, here's a recommendation it's got for you that you could do. So if you didn't want to go down to this jam with math right here, another option for you would be to do one of these personal assignments that show up. Well, that's all I have for your help on 10 marks. I hope this helps, and I just want to wish you all the best of luck. Remember, if you need more help in that, please send me an email. Get in contact with me.